Go ahead.
Hi, this is Brian, and I'm going to show you how to put your camera into cleaning mode so that you can clean the sensor. So, to start off with, I have the Canon 5D Mark II right here, and make sure that you get your camera without the lens on it with the body cap on. That way you don't have to worry about dealing with the lens somewhere safe. And this is what the inside of the camera body will look like if it's not in cleaning mode. And as you can see, the mirror is flipped down and the shutter is closed. So what you want to do is turn your camera on and go into the menu. And the first thing you want to do is check your battery and make sure that you have enough remaining for it to last you the entire time that you're going to be cleaning the sensor. As you can see, I have 71% left, so that should be plenty of time. So we'll go back into the menu, go over one, and now we have sensor cleaning. So I will choose sensor cleaning, and there are several options in here. Clean Now is the automated mode that Canon uses to actually just push the dust off the sensor, but it still may be in the camera body where it can then reattach. So if you want to clean it manually, just thumb down to clean manually. Select that. It says mirror will lock up after manually cleaning the sensor. Turn the power switch to off. And I say okay, agree. It's locked up. If I take this body cap off, you can see that now I have access to the sensor, and it will stay in that position while I'm cleaning it until I go and I turn the camera off again. And so I will do that. You'll see that it snaps shut, and then you can just put the body cap back on so that no more dust gets in there. So once you have the camera in cleaning mode, then you can take your blower and you can blow out the inside of the camera body, trying to get the dust to actually go out of the camera body. And then the next step is you take your sensor swabs that are for the size sensor that you have, and you just take one and you carefully unpackage it, being careful not to touch the swab area at the end because that's contaminant free. And then you take your optical cleaning fluid and you put a couple drops on each side of the sensor swab, and you just use the sensor swab on one side going one direction and on the other side going the other direction, and you should be done. And then once you complete that, then your sensor should be clean.